Hello everyone. I'm going to talk about one of the timeless bestseller book called How to Win Friends and Influence People by Dale Carnegie. यसमा चाहिँ मैले फर्स्ट च्याप्टरको चाहिँ होल समरी चाहिँ एक्सप्लेन गर्न गइरहेको छु. द फर्स्ट च्याप्टर बिगिन्स विथ द टपिक इफ यु वान्ट टु ग्यादर हनी डोन्ट किक ओभर द बिहाइभ. It's ironical, but it gives the meaningful suggestion that हामीलाई चाहिँ मह चाहिएको छ भने हामीले मौरीकै गुडमा चाहिँ किन लात्तीले हान्ने भन्ने. The first thing I noticed that, and another thing is I have pointed out is that don't blame yourself about anything, no matter how wrong it may be. जतिसुकै wrong काम गरे पनि don't underestimate yourself. The second thing I noticed that, and another thing is that कुनै पनि कुनै पनि कम्पनीको चाहिँ वर्किङ इफिसियन्सी बढाउनका लागि या वर्किङ इफिसियन्सी बढाउनका लागि चाहिँ always reward them for their good behavior rather than punishing themselves for their bad behavior. And another thing I have wrote down is that criticism are like homing pigeons. They always return homes. The more we criticize others, the more it will return to ourselves. That's the thing. And हामीलाई चाहिँ जब जब एङ्गर इस्यु हुन्छ अनि कुनै पनि इस्युज हुन्छ त्यो चाहिँ हामीले रोट डाउन गर्नुपर्छ रादर देन एक्सप्रेसिङ. हामीले चाहिँ तुरुन्तै कसैलाई चाहिँ भन्नु साटो त्यसलाई चाहिँ रोट डाउन गर्नु चाहिँ ठिक हुन्छ भनेर चाहिँ एक्सप्लेन गरेको छ. अनि another thing is that we always think that human beings are while dealing with the people we thought that they are the creature of logic rather than we thought that they are the creature of emotion. So while dealing with the people we have to remember that we are dealing with the emotion rather than dealing with the logic. That thing. And another thing is that कसैलाई चाहिँ कसैले गरेको काम प्रति तिनीहरूलाई चाहिँ गाली गर्नु या कन्डेम गर्नुको साटो why don't we understand from their perspective भन्ने कुरा चाहिँ फर्स्ट च्याप्टरमा चाहिँ एक्सप्लेन गरेको